What's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions, and just like we expected, the market is in the green today, and let me explain. So I'm up almost $28,000 on the day. Friendly reminder, I traded with over $500,000, so please make sure that you are aware of that when you are comparing your profits with mine. With that being said, I just actually wrapped up my live trading session with my Learn Plan Profit group. They got to see my entries and my exits of what led to this $29,000 trade. And one of the biggest factors that we're focusing on is, especially during the pre-market session, we identified this channel where we were trading sideways. Yeah, it was in the green. I think the NASDAQ market was already up nearly 1%. TQQQ was up about 2.5 to 3% on the day. We're trading sideways, being able to buy the lows, sell the highs, buy the lows, and then sell the highs. The highs were pretty much $29 a share. We were not able to break above this resistance until we got so much consolidation that we finally broke above. I stepped on the gas, added more to my position, and then we began to take off. Why is the market going up? Probably a question that you're asking yourself. Well, yesterday, a big concern, and the reason that the market was selling off right before the market opened is because Jerome Powell was going to speak. And the last time that he spoke, if you look at this on the 30-minute time frame, he caused the market to sell off because of what he said, that the Federal Reserve was going to be more aggressive with raising interest rates and working towards their goal of their 2% target. That being said, it was expected that he was going to say something that was actually worse about the market, but that was definitely not the case. Whatever it is that he said was something that he's already said before. That was already factored into the market. And if nothing new or nothing bad is said, that is a good reaction because it's already been factored in that something bad was going to be said. And this is why we're seeing the market not only go up as of yesterday, but why I had so much confidence that the market was going to go up today. And this is why we stepped on the gas. I was just waiting for confirmation for that direction to be in my favor, because we always know that direction can change at a moment's notice. But I'm very happy that my Learn Plan Profit team was able to see this happen live. The whole thought process, the waiting for confirmation, the adding more to our position size, and not afraid to reduce our position size at overbought levels. So $30,000 on the day is what I'm up. I do want to explain to you guys on the 1 hour time frame, we are finally beginning to trade above the 1 hour moving average. This is something that we have not been able to do even since August 26th, when Jerome Powell spoke in front and caused the market to sell off. We're now trading above the moving average, which is a great sign for the overall market and for a great sign for bullish long-term investors. Now is the time to prepare for the market to recover, not because it needs to, but it's always best to have a plan of action in advance, not when the market is recovering. I mean, you might already be a little late, right? Stay calm, keep your trade plan simple. Keep it short and sweet, as in like you don't have to trade every single stock in the world. Focus on one or two stocks, right? Keep your trading and investing simple and come up with a plan of action. Where are you going to buy? Where are you going to average up? Where you plan to lock in profits? Where would you cut losses to manage your risk? Think about worst case scenario and best case scenario. The last thing that I do want to share with you guys is on the 4 hour time frame. We are now trading above the Ema line, and this is the first day that we've been able to do this again since August 26th, which is when we tested it, and then we sold off after he spoke. So this is a step in the right direction. We have huge upside margin. There's going to be a lot of resistance levels along the way. It's not going to be an easy map all the way, or easy road all the way back up to $40 a share, especially with this up and coming CPI data report on September 13th. So I wanted to wish you guys an amazing Friday. I wanted to keep you guys up to date. It looks like we're seeing a quick little change of direction. But the great thing about staying well balanced is that I can buy the dip, right, by having cash on the side. This is all about position size. A lot of people freak out when markets pull on back. I welcome it. One of the things that you'll always hear me try to encourage our Learn Plan Profit members to do is the best way to manage your risk is to manage your position size. If you always are light enough that you welcome a pullback, that just means that you're willing to buy at a lower price because you see potential to make more money when the market actually recovers. I know that the NASDAQ market will recover. It's just, can I tolerate the time that it will take for this market to recover? And that's the beautiful thing, right? You wanna have enough money to take it seriously, but not so much that you become an emotional mess during these little pullbacks. So if you guys have any questions about what we talked about today, feel free to direct message me via Discord. That's that first link in the description of this video. Friendly reminder, we are running a $100 off sale, my Learn Plan Profit 2.0. This is the team that gets to watch me trade live every single day. I offer nothing else. If you want to work with me, if you want me to answer your questions, if if you want to watch me trade live every day, if you want access to my A to Z video lesson library, daily live trading session, private group chat, and access to the TechBuds HQ, this is the only thing that I offer. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access, and right now, it's one of our biggest discounts. It's $100 off Learn, Plan, Profit 2.0, and it's the second link in the description of this video. The last thing that I do want to remind you is that today is the final day to enter the iMac giveaway. I'm giving away a brand new version of my exact setup. So this is an iMac 2022, and our giveaway ends today, September 9th, 2022. It will be open until midnight tonight. For every $1 you spend on the site, if you buy a t-shirt, it will enter you automatically 10 times. So what that means is if you buy a t-shirt for $25, you will get entered 250 times. If you buy an aluminum art, that's 1,800 entries. If you buy a mouse pad for your trading setup, that's 300 automatic entries. You get entered automatically for every $1 you spend, it equals 10 automatic entries. This is the double the points. And again, this ends tonight. This is the fourth link in the description, and I'm super pumped to announce the winner either tomorrow or during our Sunday Stock Talk on Sunday. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out and direct message me via Discord. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.